These are challenging times, and it's easy to lose focus. While difficult to achieve, a true focus can drive innovation and success. Too often, companies focus solely on the cost of fluid. But without the right lubricants, your fluids could be costing you at every step of the manufacturing process. Consider a major global automotive component manufacturer whose expensive fluids created even higher costs in nearly every area of their plant, significantly impacting their productivity and profits. The competitors' products didn't provide sufficient lubricity, causing excess tool wear and machinery maintenance. Plus, workers would constantly see a high amount of residue or stain and throw the part in the scrap bin. With an end-to-end approach, Fuchs delivered a water-miscible machining fluid that maximized productivity by increasing tool life over 20% and nearly eliminated parts scrapped due to staining. Fuchs didn't just maximize the positive outcomes for the manufacturer, we also minimized many of their problems and decreased their overall fluid-related costs. Major biological contaminants were brought under control, increasing ultrafiltration life by 300%, decreasing the use of hazardous tank side additives, and improving the work environment. With the minimization of tool changes, foam, and system dumps, downtime also dramatically decreased. Fuchs achieved all this while reducing the plant's fluid usage by 40%. Plus, if any issues arise in the future, Fuchs Technical Support is an active partner ready to help. The customer has documented over 30% savings greater than their spend on Fuchs EcoCool machining fluid. Or you could say we gave them 130% value on their fluid. With our focus on lubricants, technology, and people, Fuchs delivers technology that pays back. We did it for them. We can pay back for you. We know your industry and we know your need for cost performance. See how you and Fuchs can focus on maximizing your profits together.